Good morning, friends. Today we are discussing about finance function, organization of finance function, importance of financial management, and responsibilities of the financial manager. Firstly, we are discussing about functions of finance. Financial management, in the modern sense of the term, can be split into three major decisions as functions of finance: investment decision, financing decision, and dividend decisions. Firstly, investment decision. Investment decisions are concerned with selecting the right type of asset in which funds will be invested by the firm. Mainly there are two types of asset: long-term asset and short-term assets. As such, investment decisions of the firm are of two types: long-term investment and short-term investment. Long-term investment are popularly known as capital budgeting, and short-term investment are popularly known as working capital management. Long-term investment decision is the most crucial financial decision of an enterprise because the growth, productivity, and success of the enterprises in the long run depends upon such decisions. Then next one, short-term investment decision. Short-term investment decisions are related to current asset management and emanate from the responsibility of financial manager to manage efficiently the existing asset owned by the firm. Such decisions are also important because short-term survival is a prerequisite to long-term success. Next function of finance is financing decision. Financial manager has to make a decision regarding raising of finances. That is, he has to decide the source mix or capital structure. The two important sources of financing are debt and equity. Debt is fixed interest source of financing and equity is variable dividend source of finance. It is thus becomes important for the financial manager to decide appropriate mix of debt and equity in such a way as to maximize shareholders' wealth. Third function of finance is dividend decision. The third major decision of financial manager is the decision relating to declaration and payment of dividends. Financial manager has to advise the top management as what portion of profit should be distributed as dividend to the shareholders and what portion should be retained in the business for further investment. In this sense, dividend decision becomes a part of financing decision as well as part of investment decision. Next, we are discussing about role and importance of financial management. The basic function of any business enterprises may include production, marketing, and finance without any doubt. Of these functions, finance function assumes more significance because it plays important role in the successful performance of all operational and managerial functions. In the case of management of big organization, financial management is now regarded as challenging and full of responsibility. It is often said that nowadays financial management watches and cares various developmental activities affecting the liquidity and profitability of a business unit. The importance and utility of financial management arises due to the following reason. It is basis of success of the business concern, optimum allocation and utilization of resources, efficiency in investment of national importance, useful for line management, useful for shareholders, useful for investors, useful for fund providers, and it is useful for the other parties. That is, financial management is very required for all these mentioned points. Then next one, organization of finance function. In view of increasing importance of financial management, it seems essential to chalk out an organization appropriate for carrying out the functions of financial management and meeting the responsibility. Organization for finance function means the classification and division of various tasks and functions to be performed by the finance department of the business. Theoretically speaking, the shareholders being the owner of the company, but they offer their authority to the board of directors. Just to help the board of directors, managing director may be appointed. Managing director, subject to the instruction coming from the board of directors, manages the whole business enterprises. He solved all the problems relating to production, sales, finance and labor. As such, he is expected not to an expert of financial issues. A finance committee is constituted to help them. Finance committee is the important link between board of directors and managing directors. The member of such finance committee are some of the directors or their nominees, managers of various departments and chief finance manager. The committee is headed by the managing director or chairman. The function of financing committee is to offer proper advice to the board of directors with regard to financial planning and control. Chief finance manager is assisted by two important executives known as treasurer and controller. Fundraising and its utilization and investment are under treasurer, while general accounts, auditing, budget, preparation of financial statement, etc. are under controller. Then we are discussing about responsibilities of financial manager. Although all important decisions and cases pertaining to finance are solved by board of directors, yet the role of financial manager in such decision is very significant. The responsibility of financial manager are: first one, financial forecasting and planning. It is the prime responsibility of the financial manager that he must make forecast of financial requirements of the business and must make a plan for it. Second one, procurement of finance. It is also the responsibility of financial manager to arrange the required finance for the business and to devise the means for procuring the same. Raising funds from different sources, arranging and allocating the finance for different departments, raising additional capital, etc. are also covered under his responsibility. Third one, controlling the use of funds. Another responsibility of financial manager is to have adequate control over the utilization of funds, effective use of investment in productive assets, effective control over cash flow, balancing the capital investment, and proper check on the possibility of the theft are included in this type of responsibility. Next one, disposal of profits. To arrange for appropriate disposal of profit earned is also the responsibility of financial manager. Last one, miscellaneous responsibility. Such responsibility comprises of determination of purchase and sales policies, collection from receivables, synchronizing the cash receipts and cash disbursement, insurance of assets, providing for tax liability, collection and interpretation of necessary data, etc. Thank you.